What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the best tips and tricks for living smarter, more prepared, and more self-sufficient. I'm super excited you're here today, because we're about to take a fascinating journey into a world that's all about old-school wisdom and practical know-how. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of the Amish, true masters of survival, self-sufficiency, and living off the land. For generations, the Amish have thrived without modern conveniences, relying on their resourcefulness and strong sense of community. Their food storage methods are absolutely legendary. I've done the research and uncovered the top 15 canned foods they stockpile to survive anything, from harsh winters to unexpected emergencies. These foods are the backbone of their survival strategy. These aren't just any foods, they're carefully chosen for their nutrition, versatility, and ability to last for years on the shelf. Each item plays a crucial role in keeping families healthy and well-fed, no matter what life throws their way. If you want a pantry that can get you through any crisis, whether it's a power outage, a natural disaster, or just tough times, you need to see this list. These are the foods that can make all the difference. So, before we jump in, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more survival and food storage tips. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get into it and unlock the secrets of the ultimate Amish survival pantry. The Amish Survival Pantry starts right now. Let's see what makes it so incredible. Number 1. Canned beans. When it comes to building a pantry that can withstand anything, canned beans are the unsung heroes. They're not just a backup plan, they're the backbone of any serious food storage strategy. The Amish stockpile them for a reason. For generations, they've relied on canned beans to get through harsh winters and uncertain times. Knowing these humble cans can mean the difference between hunger and comfort. Beans are packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients, crucial when fresh food is scarce. Each can delivers a powerful punch of energy, helping you stay strong and healthy even when supplies run low. Their shelf life is legendary. Stored right, they last for years. You can tuck them away in a cool, dark place and trust they'll be ready when you need them most, making them a true long-term solution. The Amish use beans in spreads, soups, stews, and even baked goods. From hearty chili to creamy bean dips, there's no end to the delicious, nourishing meals you can create. Versatility is key. One ingredient, endless meals. Whether you're making a quick salad, a filling stew, or a protein-packed side, canned beans adapt to almost any recipe, making meal planning simple and stress-free. Beans are cheap, filling, and a cornerstone of food security. For just a few dollars, you can feed your family a meal that's both satisfying and nutritious, stretching your budget without sacrificing quality. Next time you shop, grab extra cans, you'll thank yourself later. Even just a few extra cans each trip can add up to a pantry that's ready for anything, from power outages to unexpected guests. This is the first step to a resilient pantry. Stocking up on canned beans is a simple, practical way to ensure your family's well-being, no matter what the future holds. Let's keep building. Beans are the ultimate survival staple, affordable, nutritious, and always ready to save the day. Number 2. Canned corn. This humble pantry item is more than just a side dish, it's a true survival essential, cherished by those who know the value of a well-stocked larder. The Amish treat it like gold, and for good reason. In their communities, canned corn is a symbol of abundance and preparation, a golden treasure that represents both hard work and security for the future. Corn is energy-rich, easy to grow, and incredibly versatile. It thrives in a variety of climates, making it a reliable crop year after year. Its high carbohydrate content provides lasting energy, which is crucial during hard times or long days of work. Canned corn lasts for years on the shelf, making it a perfect choice for long-term storage. Even after months or years, it retains its flavor and texture, adding variety and nutrition to any meal, whether fresh or in the depths of winter. Amish dishes like corn pudding and hearty corn chowder rely on it for both flavor and substance. These recipes have been passed down for generations, proving just how central corn is to their way of life. Mix it with beans for a classic succotash, a dish that's not only filling but also packed with protein and nutrients. This simple combination has sustained families through tough times and celebrations alike. Or add canned corn to stews and soups for a touch of natural sweetness and a pop of color. It brightens up any pot and makes even the simplest meal feel special. Canned corn is cheap, delicious, and a must-have for your stockpile. Its affordability means you can buy in bulk without breaking the bank, ensuring your family always has access to a nutritious staple. Don't overlook this golden staple. Its bright color and sweet flavor can lift spirits and make meals more enjoyable, especially when fresh produce is scarce. Add both creamed and whole kernel varieties to your pantry. Each type brings something unique to the table. Creamed corn for creamy casseroles, whole kernel for texture and bite. Corn keeps your meals interesting and your energy up, making it a true golden staple for any prepared home. Number 3. Canned tomatoes. Diced, crushed, whole, or sauce, they're the base for countless meals. Tomatoes bring flavor, vitamins, and antioxidants to your pantry. The Amish can them in bulk for sauces, soups, and stews all winter. Their natural acidity means a long shelf life and preserved nutrition. With canned tomatoes you can whip up pasta sauce, chili, or hearty soups anytime. Stock up on all varieties for maximum flexibility. Canned tomatoes are your secret weapon for flavor and nutrition. Don't run out. Number 4. Canned peas. Don't underestimate them. Peas are loaded with vitamins and fiber, crucial for long-term health. The Amish use them in creamy chicken dishes, salads, and stews. Canned peas last forever and add color, sweetness, and nutrition to any meal. They're cheap, easy to use, and a smart addition to your pantry. Rethink peas, they're a survival essential. Grab a dozen cans next time you shop. Simple, nutritious, and reliable. Number 5. Canned carrots. Packed with beta-carotene for vision and immunity. The Amish can carrots for year-round nutrition and convenience. Use them in stews, roasts, soups, or as a sweet side dish. Canned carrots are tender, easy to use, and last for years. They add color, flavor, and a vitamin boost to survival meals. Stock up for a healthy, resilient pantry. Carrots are a simple step with a big payoff. Don't skip this root veggie. Number 6. Canned beets, especially pickled. Beets are rich in folate, potassium, and support heart health. The Amish love pickled beets for their sweet tangy flavor and long shelf life. Use them in salads as a side, or try red beet eggs for something unique. Pickled beets break up food monotony and boost morale. Add a few jars to your pantry for variety and nutrition. Beets are a flavor powerhouse. Don't overlook this vibrant root. Number 7. Canned potatoes, the ultimate comfort food, ready in minutes. Canned potatoes save time, no peeling, boiling, or waiting. The Amish use them in soups, stews, and casseroles, or fry them up for a quick side. They're filling, versatile, and last for years. In a crisis, convenience matters. Canned potatoes deliver. Stock both sliced and whole for flexibility. Potatoes are a prepper's secret weapon. Make your meals hearty and easy. Number 8. Canned applesauce. A sweet treat and baking essential. The Amish turn apple harvests into smooth, versatile applesauce. Use it as a snack, side dish, or natural sweetener in baking. Applesauce adds moisture and nutrition to breads and cakes. It's easy to digest and a morale booster in tough times. Stock unsweetened for more control. Applesauce is comfort food that lasts. Add it to your pantry for variety and sweetness. Number 9. Canned chicken. Animal protein, ready to eat. The Amish can their own chicken for long-term storage and instant meals. Use it in soups, salads, casseroles, or straight from the can. Canned chicken is lean, versatile, and packed with protein. It's a must-have for balanced nutrition and quick meals. Stock up for emergencies and everyday convenience. Chicken keeps your pantry strong. Don't skip this protein powerhouse. Number 10. Canned beef, hearty, rich, and shelf-stable. The Amish can beef in chunks or shredded, perfect for stews and noodles. It's tender, flavorful, and packed with iron and protein. Use it in classic dishes or quick sandwiches. Canned beef turns basic ingredients into a feast, essential for energy and morale in tough times. Beef is a heavy hitter for your pantry. Stock up for hearty, satisfying meals. Number 11. Canned pork, savory, rich, and versatile. The Amish can pork for stews, sandwiches, and classic pork and sauerkraut. Pork adds variety and higher calories to your stockpile. It's shelf-stable, ready to eat, and full of flavor. Use it to break up protein monotony and keep meals interesting. Stock both plain and seasoned varieties. Pork is a delicious, practical choice. Add it to your survival pantry. Number 12. Canned fruit cocktail, morale in a can. The Amish know a little sweetness goes a long way in hard times. Fruit cocktail is a treat, dessert, or side that lifts spirits. It's shelf-stable, colorful, and packed with quick energy. Use it in salads, desserts, or straight from the can. Stock a few cans for a taste of normalcy. Don't underestimate morale foods. Sweetness matters in survival. Number 13, canned pumpkin. Not just for pie. Pumpkin is loaded with vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants. The Amish use it in breads, soups, pancakes, and even pumpkin butter. It's filling, nutritious, and adds variety to meals. Canned pumpkin is a blank canvas for sweet or savory dishes. Stock up for year-round nutrition and comfort. Pumpkin is a pantry powerhouse. Get creative with this versatile veggie. Number 14, canned milk. Evaporated and sweetened, condensed. The Amish rely on canned milk for baking, creamy soups, and desserts. It's shelf-stable, rich, and essential when fresh milk isn't available. Use it to make sauces, custards, and fudge. Canned milk adds nutrition and comfort to survival meals. Stock both types for maximum flexibility. Milk is a baker's secret weapon. Don't let your pantry run dry. Number 15, canned soup, the ultimate ready meal. The Amish can their own soups for quick, balanced meals. Canned soup is nutritious, filling, and ready in minutes. Stock a variety for different flavors and nutrients. In a crisis, convenience is everything. Soup delivers. Look for lower sodium options if possible. Soup is the final piece of a resilient pantry. Always have a few cans on hand. That's it, 15 Amish-approved canned foods for survival. Build your pantry with these essentials for nutrition, variety, and peace of mind. Every can is a step towards self-sufficiency and security. What's your must-have canned food? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more survival tips and Amish secrets. See you in the next video.